Namaste, this is Chef Sudeep from Novotel Hyderabad Convention Center. Today I am going to show the recipe a chilling drink. This is Falooda. So to plate, we will be taking a chilled glass. To plate this, we will first going to start with the basil seeds. And the second part, this is Falooda threads. And the jellies, and the drops. And now I am going to add of milk. And again we have to repeat the same procedure. Basil seeds, then the Falooda, and the jelly, and the ruafza. For the garnish, we will use the vanilla ice cream scoop, and we'll add some chopped nuts also. And finally, we are going to top with the cherry. Now we are all set to drink the chilled Falooda drink. You can enjoy it. Have a nice day.